Hi friends, here Excel Guru Rajinikanth, and today's topic I'm going to share a solution for the file which have been sent in WhatsApp groups. That is, first of all, I'll explain the query. What is that query? Here it is that you want to highlight the words which is having vowels. Vowels means A, E, I, O, U. These letters, if it is available in that and in that range or in that word, it should highlight in a green color. Remaining are all red colors. Right. So moving back, let's share the file. Here is the file. Okay. So here one thing you understood, guys, that here vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Already I've said. Okay. So you write it like this: A, E, A, E, I, O, U. Here is the vowels. Okay. So you want to highlight, first of all, what you have to do, what I mentioned, vowels should be in a green and remaining are all in red colors. Right. So what you have to do, first thing, highlight the range. First thing, highlight the range with red colors. Right. The first thing you have to do that. And later, what you have to do, you write a formula over here. See, AGIOU is the static value, it will not change because vowels are only 5 letters, that is AGIOU. And here is the formula I'm going to write here is what I'll do mid of AGIOU, comma, comma, row of indirect, that is this one, and length of this. And I want each and every word should extract. So in place of number of characters, I use 1. Okay, F9. See, we will extract each and every word individually. We can't take like this. Enter. We can't take like this, like what you say, search of direct AEIOU. Okay, because it will not understand. It will check only the word. It will not display the proper answer over here. Let me show you properly. F9. So it will not show you like this. So this is the problem. For that reason, you have to extract each and every word separately and search in a range so that it is very easy to understand. Here it is. F2. See, I'm using again, I'm telling, I'm using Office 365, Microsoft 365. Then also I'm applying the formulas of 2010 because every maximum people is having, okay, I can understand maximum people is having Microsoft 365, but in some in some cases if somebody is not having, what they will do, they will not understand. For that reason I'm using 2010 Excel functions only. So here what I'll do now, simple search of search of this whole range, comma, select this one. I'm not freezing any cell. Okay, that's it. If it is found, it will show you the numbers. Each and every number, it will check separately. That A is in the 12th position, E is in the second position, I is in the 10th position. Like that, it will extract and it will search and it will pick up the position. Now, what I'll do, here I will use is numbers. Is number. Okay. So it will pick up wherever it having numbers, it will pick up true and remaining are all falses. It will not work. Directly it will not work because conditional format is they need only one true or one false, but not more than one true and more than one false. If it is true only, it will highlight the color. Otherwise, it will leave like that only. It will show you the error. Right. So here we are having number of truths. Number of truths. Okay. So what I'll do, I use one function that is OR. Any of that vowel. That is, it may be A, it may be E, it may be I, it may be O, it may be U. Okay. If we will use and, what will happen? If you will use or, what will happen? See, if it is having or, the out of 5 letters, it will pick up any of that letter. If it is or, if it is and, it should have 5 letters. Like it should have A, E, I, O, U. All 5 letters should apply. Then only it will show you the true. We don't want that one. We want at least one vowel should be there in a value or word. Got it? So what I'm using or. For that reason, I'm using or. Right. Enter and double click or drag from the control D. Rhythm is coming over here. Rhythm should not there. E is not there, I is not there, O is not there. But rhythm, I think something went wrong. Wait a second. Link is correct. Okay, false only. Why it is coming true? Have to see. Yes, because I have not freeze the value. That is AGIOU. I have to freeze this one. This one. F4. Here also F4. Now enter. Now copy this formula downwards. Control D. F2. Select the formula and copy the formula and paste it in conditional format. Before pasting, you have to select the range. Alt H L N. Come to here. Control V. And format is in green color. Fill with green. Fill with green. Okay. 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 That's it. Understood, guys? It's very easy. Okay. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the video of this description. Thank you, guys. Thanks for your support. Have a wonderful day.